What if some of the biggest opportunities in crypto are still ahead of us? In today's video, we're looking at 6 cryptocurrencies that could potentially make strong moves in 2027, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, Bittensor, Solana, and Chainlink. But here's what makes this interesting. Some of these coins could have much bigger potential than others, while also carrying significantly higher risks. We'll go through each one, look at the potential 2027 price ranges, and explain what could drive their next major move. And make sure you stay until the end, because the 6th cryptocurrency on this list is one that many investors may be watching closely as the crypto market evolves. So, let's start with the biggest name in crypto. Welcome back to CryptoBase, your channel for cryptocurrency news, analysis, and market insights. Today, we are looking at 6 cryptocurrencies that could potentially make strong price moves in 2027. The price targets I'm going to discuss are Bitcoin, BTC, $95,000 to $120,000, Ethereum, ETH, $2,400 to $2,700, Zcash, ZEC, $700 to $800, Bittensor, TAO, $250 to $350, Solana, SOL, $100 to $145, Chainlink, Link, $12 to $15. Now, before we continue, remember that cryptocurrency is highly volatile. These are potential price scenarios, not guaranteed results or financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. 1. Bitcoin, $95,000 to $120,000. Let's start with the biggest name in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains the most important cryptocurrency in the market because of its size, liquidity, institutional interest, and position as the leading digital asset. Movements in Bitcoin can have a major impact on the entire crypto market. For 2027, the price range we are watching is $95,000 to $120,000. If Bitcoin moves toward the upper end of this range, it could create renewed momentum across the broader cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is also important because many investors view it as the foundation of the crypto ecosystem. 2. Ethereum, $2,400 to $2,700. Next, we have Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most important blockchain networks in the world, supporting smart contracts, decentralized applications, DeFi, and many other crypto projects. Our 2027 price scenario for Ethereum is $2,400 to $2,700. Ethereum's future performance will depend on several factors, including network activity, adoption, competition, market liquidity, and overall crypto market sentiment. If the market enters another strong cycle, Ethereum could potentially benefit from increased demand. 3. Zcash, $700 to $800. The third cryptocurrency on our list is Zcash, or ZEC. Zcash is known for its focus on privacy and confidential transactions. The price range we are watching for 2027 is $700 to $800. That would represent a major move compared with lower price levels, so Zcash is also one of the higher risk opportunities on this list. Its future performance could depend heavily on demand for privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, market liquidity, and broader investor interest. 4. Bittensor, $250 to $350. Now let's talk about Bittensor, or TAO. Bittensor is particularly interesting because it combines cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. The project is designed around a decentralized network where participants contribute and provide value through machine learning-related services. Our potential 2027 range for TAO is $250 to $350. The AI sector has become one of the biggest technology narratives in the world, And if decentralized AI continues to grow, projects like Bittensor could attract significant attention. However, this is also a highly volatile category, so investors should understand the risks. 5. Solana, $100 to $145. Next is Solana, or SOL. Solana has become one of the most recognizable blockchain ecosystems because of its focus on fast transactions, scalability, and relatively low transaction costs. For 2027, the price range we are watching is $100 to $145. Solana's performance could depend on network adoption, decentralized applications, developer activity, ecosystem growth, and overall market conditions. If activity across the Solana ecosystem continues to expand, SOL could remain one of the cryptocurrencies worth watching. 6. Chainlink, $12 to $15. Finally, we have Chainlink, or Link. Chainlink plays an important role in the blockchain ecosystem by providing decentralized Oracle infrastructure that can connect smart contracts with real-world data. Our 2027 price scenario for Link is $12 to $15. Chainlink's long-term potential is closely connected to the growth of smart contracts, decentralized applications, tokenized assets, and blockchain infrastructure. If blockchain adoption continues to expand, infrastructure projects such as Chainlink could become increasingly important.